Hello everybody and welcome back to another melting basket and empties video. I am so excited to go through these empties with you guys. First of all, I feel like I've been going through wax so much quicker. We have 2 new warmers I've been adding to. I feel like my house, low-key, high-key, could have so many more warmers, but I'm just like kind of keeping my cool right now. But yeah, we added a couple new warmers, so I feel like I'm going through things so much faster. But this melting basket was probably one of the best that I've ever had. Pretty much every single scent was a banger. I was happy 100% of the time when melting these, and I'm excited to go over them, starting with the loaf, which was quite possibly my favorite scent from Sassy Girl Aroma. This was a loaf in IHOP. When I cut this up, first and foremost, it was a big pain in the butt. I did do the microwave trick. I microwaved it for quite a long time, hoping that the chunks would be easy to cut. They were not, but you know what? It's all good. This is an IHOP, pumpkin pecan waffles, maple syrup and brown sugar, caramel and coffee. This is outstanding. Seriously, one of the best scents from Sassy Girl, if not the best in my opinion. Every time I melted a piece of this loaf, I was both simultaneously heartbroken because it was slowly going away and elated because I was so happy to be melting it. It just smells so good. The throw was fantastic. Everything about this is so good. I have 1 brittle of IHOP left, but she does tend to bring it back quite often. So I don't know, I might have to stock up because that was just phenomenal. Speaking of phenomenal, from L3, this was like a little chunky square in Ants Jam filled jelly rolls. Once again, I think this is in my top. This is probably my #1 favorite scent from L3. It really is. I was gonna say top 3, but I really do think this is my #1 favorite. It is strawberry jam, whipped cream, cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla pound cake. It's just like the ultimate strawberry scent. It is so delicious. The fact that it was just a small chunk made me so sad. I know I have more of this. I don't know the size. I would buy 10 loaves of that. Bangers all around. Oh, okay. Speaking of, another great one that was fantastic this past melting basket. This is from The Pharmacist's Daughter. It's called Meet Me at the Mall. Pink lemonade and boom boom type. This was, I love the pink lemonade oil. It is just so good. The lemonade oil is nice. It smells like lemonade. Pink lemonade is just like a sweeter lemonade, and it is so good. This combo, incredible. Again, loved those. Another one that I was obsessed with, I have to share with you. This one. This was a shocker. Okay, so this is strawberry salad. This was D-stash to me. Fresh picked strawberries, honeydew melon, watermelon, lemon sugar crystals. Oh, this was just a shocking, amazing scent. I loved this. This was amazing. Sorry, I took off my nail polish because it was chipping so bad, but it now looks like my nails are just disgusting. Anyway, this was fantastic. Again, loved that one. I've never seen that from L3 either, but that was so good. From Rose Girls, this one was pineapple upside down cake and Nilla wafers. I've been having some weird issues with Rose Girls recently, as in like it's not throwing as well as everything else is, and I don't know what the deal is. I'm gonna keep testing it, obviously. I have a lot of Rose Girls and I do love Rose Girls, but this just didn't throw as well as everything else, so it kind of was the bummer of the like batch. It was still very good, but it just wasn't. I mean, those 3 that I just showed you guys were like intense standouts. Oh, of course my camera's dying. Give me 1 second. Okay, I fixed it. Next from, oh, this was a good one too. Sassy Girl again. This was I'm Singing the Blues, blueberry muffin, serendipity, and zucchini. Another great one. I love blueberry. I honestly feel like any blueberry scent I'm obsessed with. So this was just another great one. This was a cute little, this wasn't a sample, but it was like very small from Birdie's Making Sense. It's Every Now and Then I Fall Apart. It was part of this like taco wax that she had made. It was like the different toppings. This was the avocado. It was pistachio, ice cream, pretzel, and zucchini bread. It was very nice. It was a very soft pistachio, but it was very good. Another from L3, this was also very good. This was Campfire Mallow Coffee House. The campfire definitely stood out the most in this one. It definitely had an undertone of kind of like a burny, fiery smell, which was nice, but I wish the coffee house would have shined just a bit, like a bit more, because the campfire kind of took me out, but it was still good. I still liked it. And then I think we have, yes, just all shot cups left. From Fantasy, I had pecan pie, which is southern pecans, pralines, and butter sauce. This was fantastic. I think it was just like super buttery and warm. Lydia Dietz, this was just plain mac apple. I needed this. I feel like that one night I was having such a weird night, and just plain mac apple, it just kind of hits. It's fresh, it's crisp, it's delish. Loved that. Then we had Binks, which was vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. This was a banger. This one was so good. The vanilla was like almost an undertone, and then like the pumpkin marshmallow just blended together so beautifully. It was a very creamy pumpkin. Son of a Nutcracker, these are all from Fantasy Wax, by the way, which was pineapple, cinnamon, and bayberry, a super Christmassy smell. It was quite nice, though. Honestly, I do really like that mix of like cinnamon and pine and apple. It's very good. We had Michelle Tanner, which is chocolate chip cookie dough. This was a very soft chocolate chip cookie dough, which I liked because chocolate and wax it just throws me off. So this was a softer, more like cookie dough with a hint of chocolate, which was wonderful. And then I think that's it for Fantasy. Then from Villainous Wax, I'm not gonna pronounce this. I can't pronounce it. It's someplace in Mexico. Creamy tres leches cake topped with strawberries, blueberries, and whipped cream. This was very juicy and fruity and delicious with that cake undertone. The whipped cream was also quite nice in this. It was very smooth. Really liked that. Then I think the rest of these are, no, not the rest of these. This is Sassy Girl Aroma. It was a freebie in roasting s'mores. I had this in our entryway and it smelled so good. It was very cinnamony, very graham cracker crusty with like a hint of chocolate. It was quite nice and it threw really well in our entryway. And the last three here are from Nerdy Wax Company. The first is Candy. There was like 3 of these. They were from like Elf. So there's like candy, peppermint sticks, and something else. This one was good. It was very sweet. Very sweet. My kiddos liked it though, so that's great. This was Horace and Jasper. This was chocolate brownies and hazelnut flavored coffee. The chocolate brownies definitely overtook this one. It was, oh sorry, very chocolatey. Wasn't a favorite. And then speaking of chocolate, we have Shadow, which is chocolate donuts and pecans. Just a lot of chocolate from Nerdy Wax, unfortunately, but I'm glad I got through it because I'm ready to get past the chocolate because this was just too much. So that was all of my empties. I'm super excited to fill this one back up. Lots of good stuff. I'm just gonna push it to the side a bit because I have a lot of good stuff to share. First and foremost, I do have another loaf. This is an L3 loaf. I'm so excited to get through this. This is in Pennywise, which is sweet funnel cakes dusted with powdered sugar and topped with strawberry and raspberry syrup. This is not a spicy funnel cake scent, which low-key makes me a little sad. I love a good spicy funnel cake scent, but I haven't smelled this in such a long time. I'm so excited. And the color is so pretty. Yeah, it's definitely very sweet, more on the strawberry side. I honestly, all I smell is strawberry, so I mean, I love strawberry, so I'll probably like this, but I wish it was just a pinch cinnamony, but I am still very excited for that. From Rose Girls, I have carbs, which I'm very excited for. I've melted this before. It is so good. It's cookies, bread, and donuts. I like kind of want to melt this right now. I have nothing in my melters right now, which is why I'm filming this so early in the morning, because I woke up and I'm like, I have nothing. Yeah, this is so good. This is like so doughy and bready and just delicious. Another L3 here is a 4-pack of fluted tarts. This is an Anticipation, apple butterscotch cake, sea salt, caramel, and pretzel. It's such a good combo. And the apple is really strong in this, but I'm really excited because I can definitely smell that undertone of pretzel, which I adore. So I can't wait for that. I have a lot of Pharmacist's Daughter, like actually a lot. So first I have a lot of these because I ordered a pre-order like 2-3 years ago, and it was a bunch of these, which I really liked. I melted obviously the Meet Me at the Mall last basket, and it was really easy to use these. This is in Beans and Cream Coffee. I think I've melted this before. Coffee House Marshmallow Sweet and Creamy Coconut Shortbread Cookies. It's very good. Very creamy coffee. That coconut shortbread cookies actually stands out quite a bit in there. Sorry, I'm trying to get this fitted in. The other size of this I have from Pharmacist's Daughter is called Cut Loose, Foot Loose. This is quite the opposite of the other one. This is seagrass and sand dunes, bamboo, sugarcane, and citrus. I think she did, or they did a coffee, a bakery, and like a 80s collection. And I bought the 80s collection out of a whim because I like some of the scents sounded good, which the Meet Me at the Mall was one of them. But I would never purchase this normally. But it smells quite nice. It smells like the summer. I feel like this would be a perfect like downstairs kind of scent, like all over the house kind of sitch. And then I have 2 of these souffles from the Pharmacist's Daughter. I'm so excited. This first one's Fancy Nancy. This is zucchini bread, strawberry white cake, strawberry jam, and birthday cake. I know this is one of Hannah's favorite scents from the Pharmacist's Daughter. It smells so good. It literally just smells like strawberry and zucchini bread. I love that. That smells amazing. And then the last Pharmacist's Daughter that I have is another souffle in Bake My Day, which is Coffee House Cinnamon Sugar Donut Cinnamon Roll with vanilla frosting. Oh, these all sound so good. This was a D-stash. It smells amazing. It's a very cinnamon coffee, which I'm obsessed with, obsessed with. Then I have this snack bar here from Black Magic Melts. This is Edward and Kim, fresh fruit, whipped cream, and marshmallows. Let's see. Really fruity, like super fruity. I really like that one. And then I have a clamshell here. This is just some Sweet Clementine soaps. This is just in peppermint swirl. I don't think I purchased this. I think this was gifted to me. Yeah, it literally just smells like peppermint, so that'll be nice. And then we're gonna get into the shot cups. Quite a few as per my usual. Up first, from Fantasy Wax, I have Wendy Darling. Oh, it's been so long since I've done a Peter Pan collection. I forgot I did a Peter Pan collection. Now I want to do another one. Wendy Darling, Strawberry Pound Cake. That is Strawberry Pound Cake. That is so good. Then I have Ariel, Coconut Water, Sea Lily, and Lemon Zest. These are so pretty. Another fresh aquatic scent. That's so good. From Nerdy Wax Company, I have Yzma. I love Yzma. Guava Nectar, Dragon Fruit Slices, and Hibiscus Flowers. That's really cute. I love the color of that pink. That is so fresh. I love that. I love tropical fruits. Another from Nerdy is Buddy the Elf, Lemon Pound Cake, and Sugar Cookies. Oh, it's so cute. The lemon is really tart, but I think it'll be fine. Then from Fantasy, I have a Christmas Carol, which is just plain old eggnog. These are so pretty. Eggnog is so like warm and comforting and like inviting in my opinion. Another Fantasy Wax I have, I Put a Spell on You, which is pumpkin cornbread. I freaking adore pumpkin cornbread. That is so, oh my gosh. Might have to bring that one back. That's so good. Another Fantasy Wax I have here is Krampus, which is marshmallow peppermint. That's so funny because I'm doing marshmallow, well, I'm currently pouring our pre-order and marshmallow peppermints in it, so that's kind of fun. It smells so freaking good. And then I have last, as far as like the shot cups go, is this kind of smaller one from Nerdy Wax. This is, oh boy, Hayabusa the Falcon. This is from Mulan. Rainwater, Snowfall, and Sea Salt. That is really fresh. I quite like that. I've been like real into the fresh scents lately. I don't know what it is. Okay, and then last I have my little freebie. This is from Villainous Wax. It's Jack-o'-lantern, charred pumpkin, caramel drizzles, and freshly dried hay. I don't know what that smells like. Maybe the freshly dried hay? I don't know. We'll give it a melt. It's just one melt. It'll be fine. Guys, look at this basket. This is so intense, but I'm so excited. I don't know if anything is going to top my last basket, but like this one is so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.